develop the science project, and it has to be something that it transcends language, and students are able to make connections to without necessarily needing the language to do that. Things like circuits, what turns the light on, what does not turn the light on, if a conductor or insulator. So first you have to identify the phenomena or the content that you want to teach, and then design how you're going to make it accessible for kindergarten all the way to like 12th grade.
This is kind of a pilot program that we're just getting started. And we've had so many students and kids of all ages join, and they're all so excited about the science, and it really supplements their learning in school very well to just come together on the weekend, be part of a community that's also excited about science, and work on different projects. Today we built a microscope, for example. Last time we were building electrical circuits, so this is a very exciting program for us.
And right now I'm also working on another project in collaboration with Blossom Hill, which helps teach kids about science, and we've been doing a lot of cool projects such as teaching kids how to make circuits and also microscopes.
Something that I found unexpected was I really love working with the younger generation. I love hearing how excited they are about STEM, and I'm happy that I'm able to kind of talk to them a little bit about that.
It's always amazing to see the students have the aha moment. You know what it is going to be because it is, your project, and you've seen it work so many times. But when you see every child like light up and get excited about science, that propels me to continue to do what I do. And I mean, every time that we've done a project, the kids are just so excited about it to take it home. They don't even want to leave. The session ended like a half hour ago, and they're still in there, like with their microscopes, trying to see the onion or see a leaf, or continue to discover. And so that's how you know it's good.